Hmm. Let's go for a ride. Let's go for a drive. Let's go for a ride. Let's shift some gears. Let's shift some gears. Oh. Oops. What happened to the gear knob? Oh no! The gear knob disappeared. Gear knob disappeared. That's not possible. Oh no. Now I don't know now how am I supposed to know the gear pattern? Oh. That is not good. My gear knob ran away. Disappeared. Now I don't know how to drive this thing anymore. I don't have the gear pattern. Oh! Oh, I just grinded the gear. I don't know where the gears are. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh no. Ah. I'm grinding gears. Without that, I can't shift without that gear pattern. I don't know the gears anymore. I'm grinding gears. I missed that gear knob. I missed that gear knob. That knob was my best friend. It helped me go through the gears and gave me reminders. Now it's gone. You can't drive a Ford without instructions. Gotta have a pattern. Oh. Oh, no. Uh. Oh. Come on. No, I can't shift this thing. It's grinding. It's grinding like crazy. Ah! What do I do? Where's the gears at? I want my gear knob back. My gear knob's gone. I don't know what to do. Ah! My gear knob's missing. Ugh. 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 I'm going through a rampage right now. My gear knob's missing. Shoot. Oh, 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 oh. Ow. I hurt myself. That tears it. Ooh. Okay, I gotta stop. I'm losing my cool right now. I need that gear knob back right now. I'm so ticked off right now. I can't drive a Ford without instructions, without a gear pattern. No way. I'm about to go get in a fight if I don't find that gear knob. I gotta find that gear knob. Ah. I'm grinding. I can't shift this thing. It's grinding. I need that gear knob. I don't know. What's the gear pattern here? What's the gear pattern here? Can somebody tell me? Come on, get in there. Oh crap. I'm gonna drop the transmission in this thing. It's farting too much. I need that gear knob back. I missed that gear knob. What's the gear pattern? No. Oh no. All I'm doing is grinding gears because I don't know where the gears are. We got overdrive, I think. Where's first? Isn't first left and up or over here? I don't know anymore. Ah! I want my gear knob back. I missed that gear knob. Is that what I think it is? Yes. Yes, there it is. Oh, I found it. I found the gear knob. Oh, I missed it so much. I love this gear knob so much. Now I can shift gears now properly. Oh, there. There, that's more like it. Now I can get a better grip on this shifter, and now I know where the gears are now. That's 5-speed. Now I don't have to fart through gears anymore. We got first, second, third. Yeah, I gotta get used to it again here. Oops. 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 I'm grinding again. Oh, oops. The gears are too close to each other. I don't know how. I don't know. At least I got my gear pattern back. It makes it easier so I can figure out that gear pattern. Got my gear knob back. I missed it. Nice gear knob. Ah, it bit me. Ah. I got my gear knob back. Yep, it's back. Yep. Had me worried. I thought I lost it, but it's back. That's it. Now I'm gonna go to the toilet and have a happy bathroom break. I don't know.